microfinance. They post
I don't
to
know.
the
You talk to our Home Minister.
Sir,
I was the former Home Minister.
Sir, the microfinance issue has become a biggest issue because in Ramnagar, you are the in-charge minister. One lady committed suicide. In Belgaum, one lady was sent out from the home.
All these things, Dr. Parmeshwar, he is Home Minister. He is capable. He will look after all these things.
Sir, what is happening in government? Because it looks like face off between the DK Shivakumar and the Siddharamaya's faction. The minister
No fraction, nothing. All are one Congress. That's all. No fraction. Fractions are in BJP, not in our party.
But will government stay intact, sir?
Another 8 years, our government will be there.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, both the leaders, Chief Minister and the DK Shivakumar, both have said that High Command will decide. So, is there any possibility of change or like what's the goal?
I don't know. You have to ask High Command.